Hi friends, it's me, Des. Welcome back to Learning with Des. Today, we will learn all the kindergarten sight words. Remember, sight words are words we see everywhere. We don't sound them out, we just learn them by looking. Here we go. Let's read them all together. All, am, are, at, ate, be, black, brown, but, came, did, do, eat, for, get, good, have, he, into, like, must, knew, know, now, on, our, out, please, pretty, ran, ride, saw, say, she, soon, that, there, they, this, to, under, want, was, will, went, what, wint, who, will, with, yes. Wow, you just read all 52 kindergarten sight words. The more you practice, the faster you'll read. Remember, practice a little every day. Thanks for learning with me today, and remember, sight words equal super reader. See you next time on Learning with Des.